Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can I roll over a 401k to a 403b? The short answer is yes. You can roll over a 401k into a 403b as long as both accounts are tax deferred. This process can be a great way to consolidate your retirement savings, making them easier to manage and potentially lowering your fees. But here's the important part. You need to complete a direct rollover to avoid tax penalties. What that means is, rather than having the funds sent to you directly, you arrange for them to be transferred from your 401k directly into your 403b. It's also crucial to check with both of your plan administrators, your 401k provider, and your new 403b plan to ensure that they support the rollover process. Every plan has its own rules, so you'll want to get all the details before making a move. Before making any decisions, it's smart to understand how your 403b can grow over time, or how much income you can expect in retirement. Our 403b calculator is a great tool for this. It lets you estimate potential growth based on your contributions or calculate how much income your 403b could generate during retirement. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.